Everyone, today we're going to explore a new hotel in Japan, in Tokyo. So it will be a 5-star hotel. So it's going to be great, I guess, if it's 5-star, and the rate is 4.4 by the visitors, by the ex-visitors of this hotel. So the hotel's name is InterContinental, the Strings Tokyo, an IHG hotel. So InterContinental, the Strings Tokyo hotel. So let's go to Tokyo, let's go to Japan. So as far as I understand, this hotel in the center of the city, so good location. And let me tell you the price in US dollars. It will be $223 $223 per night. So let's see how good this hotel is. So the best way to see and check before booking the hotel how good it is open Google Maps. That's what I do now. Open Google Maps, click on the picture and go to the tab that you need. It's called from visitors tab from visitors. In this tab, on this tab you will see pictures from the guests, from visitors that ever go to this hotel. Okay, so let's try to understand, should we book a room in this hotel on our next holiday and so on. So the view is nice, I really like it. Is there some water like close to the river? Yeah, there is water. I see a ship. Okay, go to the next. Oh, that's a giant bed. Oh gosh, that's a giant. Look at this, everyone. It's just enormous. It's so big. I mean, it's not even king size. It's super king size. Look at this. It's really, I don't know, you can dance, you can jump, you can sleep along the bed, I mean, in a different way, not like you usually do. Oh gosh, it's really big. It takes all room. It takes all space of the room. Oh gosh. Or is it for many people, like one bed for the whole family, one bed for group of friends? Yeah, I have no idea. Look at this bathroom. Everyone. So I don't know what to say. I'm not sure I like it. Look at this. They put the bathroom behind the... Oh, I see. There is like a shower room. Next to the shower room there is a bathtub. So look at this. And they put it like in a glass room. It's like in a glass room. I've never seen it before. Yeah, shower room you can see behind the glass, but to put it together, shower room and bathtub, and cover it with the glass, I see it first time. I've never seen something like this. Look, room in the room, one room in another room. It's amazing. It's just, I give you 5 points, 5 of 5 for this ridiculous idea. Okay, oh, someone prefer to drink some wine before bed. Yeah, enjoy your view. Drink wine from the bottle. Where are the glasses? Where's the tool to open it? How you're going to drink it? Or just for the picture? Like you're going to drink but you're not going to do it? Yeah, because where are the glasses? You're going to drink it from the bottle? Okay, yeah, if no one can see it, then you can do it. Oh, bamboo forest. Look at this. Look at this, 1, 2, we even can count them. It's there are so many of them, so we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bamboo. Oh, that's the name of the hotel. Strings InterContinental, the Strings Tokyo. That's why you call it, that's why you make this name, because there are 9 strings growing from the floor. How they grow actually? How it's possible? Are they real? How? I can't even see how they comes out from the... Oh, I see. Probably they are real, not artificial. Look at this. I have no idea. So that's why they chose this name. Oh, that explains a lot. Look at this desk, like island in the ocean. Look at this, and look at this floor. Can you walk there? It looks like a roof of something. Looks like there is another floor below that. And no, can you walk there? You see, they put barriers, like how to go to the desk, or you have to stand here on the bench and shout, receptionist, hotel manager, I would like to get this and this. Look at this drawer, whatever it is, empty drawer. What is it for? Is it like a firebox with the fire extinguisher? What is it for? What is this one? Oh my god, there's so many objects that just you don't understand the function of them. Okay, it's too far. Okay, let's not focus on them. And look, there is the light, so at night you can see these strings, you can see these bamboo trees. Wow, amazing. Yeah, it's probably very special. It took a lot of effort to bring it here. Okay. Oh wow, oh wow. Everyone, did you notice something? There is a big construction site. There is a big construction site just in the walking distance of your hotel. Look at that. Not too far. So you can hear everything clearly. Every morning you wake up with the drilling something, heating something, with the trucks making noise and so on. Oh gosh, if I know. You see, someone took a picture. Probably he or she so confused about this room, why the staff gave the room on this side of the building. Yeah, this side of the building. Why they give the room on this side of the building? They can give a room on another side of the building where is no construction site, where is no construction work. Oh gosh, and probably this under construction. No, it's not. It looks so abandoned. Okay, whatever. Oh gosh, why you took a picture of this? What is it for? You want to show everyone that you have cup of black tea? Amazing. Thank you for this picture. Amazing. Oh, by the way, I like it. As far I like it. Nice view. Look at this view. Look at this bench close to the window. Look at this bed. Not bad, everyone. I like it. I have nothing to criticize here. Yeah, I don't like this lamp, this box. Like, this is not a square room. Why they decided to put a box? I don't like this wooden bench for your suitcases, but whatever. Yeah, in general I like it. Yeah. Oh, we see the the creator, the author of this picture. Oh, probably you have a lot of money to stay here, and you have a good taste too. Spend your money for good room. Good job. What can I say? Not bad, not bad. I like something here and something I don't. For example, this table, it's like, you know, airport table, canteen, students canteen table. Look, it's just no respect for this table. In 5 stars hotel, they put this table like, you know, in the at the lobby at the restaurant where you eat breakfast. Maybe this table is okay. And what I don't like the ceiling. It's like so empty. It's like it's high, but why they make it like this, like put in the box, like it's a box. What is it for? So in general, not bad, but throw away this table. What is it doing here? And yeah, not bad. And the ceiling, and if even they make the room short, not high ceiling, they close it, they cover it, it would be better. It would be better. I don't like the ceiling. I feel like, I don't know, it's empty. I feel it's empty. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. Is it Marriott Hotel? It's like we may be in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro. I don't know. But it's like, it is Japan, everyone. Hey, everyone, what is this? It's not Rio de Janeiro. What is this? Don't know even what to call this style. Oh gosh, don't tell me it's a gym. Yeah, let's say it's just uploaded accidentally. It's not from this hotel. Okay, let's go to the next one. Wow, is it our hotel? Yeah, probably. Or it is view from our hotel. Okay, whatever. Look at this. If you want to show your body to everyone, no curtains, nothing to protect you from someone's eyes. Oh my goodness, if you like exhibitionism, yeah, please welcome to this hotel. Otherwise, you have to wear suit, swimsuit, you have to wear underpants, and you know, cover your special parts of your body with a towel or whatever. Yeah, if you want to show hungry people what you have under your clothes, yeah, please welcome to this hotel. I don't like it. It's like an airplane bathroom. Reminds me airplane, bigger, a little bigger than on an airplane, but it reminds me airplane. I don't know why. It's like it's so cold. It's so cold. I understand it's natural stone. It's very expensive. It's like luxury, but it doesn't look okay. It doesn't look okay. And they give you soap. Please enjoy our soap. And there is one more waiting for you. When you finish one, you can start second. Yeah, I don't know. It's so cold. I feel very cold in this bathroom. Wow. It's a church. Am I right? Church. You can have waiting here. Okay, I guess it's not from our hotel. Why they upload it here? Okay. Oh, this is at night, and our trees not emphasized with the light. There is no light for our trees, actually, for strings. Yeah, no light. Oh, that's I don't know. Is it that it doesn't follow the idea of the hotel? What we saw, this pink light, what it for? We saw this gray bathroom we saw these dark rooms and this pink party bar, whatever. I don't know. Okay, the view is nice. I like view. I like city view. It makes me feel good. City view. Yeah, but don't forget, there is a construction site just on the right. There is a construction site. You shouldn't take a room on this side of the building. If you get a room on this side of the building, just look in the window. If you see a construction site, go to the reception immediately. Say, no, I'm not going to take this room. Move me to another room. Okay, that's our famous bar, Pinky Bar. This is yummy. This is good. Yeah, I would eat it. I would try it. These muffins and a drop of jam and whipped cream. What is it for? Why I need to do like this? And yeah, choco ball or whatever. What this one I wouldn't try. It looks like, you know, what when dogs go to the park, what they leave after themselves. Yeah, this is really nice. Look at this. Yeah, macaron, and this have no idea what it is, but looks yummy. Yeah, I would try it. Not just single cup of tea like we saw before. Yeah. Oh gosh, it's not bad, but why there are two lonely chairs? So big space, so big lobby, whatever it is, and two single chairs. Like, put something, fill in the room. Why it looks so empty? Okay, everyone, it was the last picture. Look at this. I cannot go to the next one. I cannot go further, so we have to stop. That's enough for us to evaluate this hotel. That's enough for us to make a final decision. If you maybe would like to book a room in this hotel, you would like to go there, please welcome. If you're not afraid of the design and big bathrooms, that yeah, you can go there. Location is good and the price is good. Yeah, if you can afford it, it's about $223. Please welcome to this hotel. Okay, thank you everyone. See you in my next videos. So let's explore more and more hotels in Japan and other countries. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Bye everyone.